Did people in the Middle Ages believe in a flat Earth? Is Darwin's theory of natural evolution incompatible with God creating the heavens and the earth? Every epoch possesses its own myths. A central myth of Western modernity was the idea of the foreseeable end of all myths. The idea of the end of all myths is part of the narrative of progress or enlightenment, and it is intricately linked to what has been called the scientific worldview. A significant component of this worldview is the belief in a perennial conflict between natural science and religion or theology. In retrospect, this supposed clash seems to be the result of an overemphasis on scientific rationality and the idea that only scientific knowledge is real or valuable. Remarkably, this idea continues to persist today, despite its central tenets being long debunked, historically and philosophically. Of course, science and technology are such central elements of late modern societies that we can hardly imagine our lives without them anymore. Yet their emergence in the early modern period and their later rise to such a prominent position were by no means inevitable. They depended contingently on various preconditions, which apparently were fulfilled in only some parts of the world but not in others. Our summer school will investigate the philosophical and theological aspects of these preconditions, with both a historical and a systematic interest. Historically, the medieval retrieval of Aristotle's philosophy and its further development by philosopher-theologians like Thomas Aquinas and William of Ockham led to a transformed conception of theorizing that shifted focus from a metaphysical to an empirical approach to nature. The Renaissance witnessed a further shift away from a disinterested contemplation of the cosmos to a practical engagement with God's creation, resulting in the emphasis on experiment and technical innovation that we find, for example, in Galileo Galilei and Francis Bacon. On the systematic side, we are interested in the role that these philosophical and theological underpinnings still play in contemporary science and its various interactions with society and the environment. In particular, we will ask how science and technology can, despite their inherent tendency to subdue the earth, including ourselves, nevertheless contribute to a sustainable development of humankind and all of creation. If you would like to explore these questions with international experts in the field of science and religion, in a beautiful geographical and architectural setting, please visit our website for more information.